Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to animate lines in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this we are in the Fusion tab, and by clicking Shift and the spacebar we get here. What you want to type in is polygon, just add it, and now here in the viewer you can just type in your line, for example like this. And then what you want to do is here in the upper bar, select all points and then go to smooth. So the line will be smooth. Okay, now what you want to do is here in the inspector tab, you want to adjust the border width. So we're going, for example, with 0.011, and the length we want to do, for example, like this. Then what you want to do is here on the timeline with the right cursor, go all the way to the left and set a keyframe here by clicking on the diamond, just like this. Then you, for example, go to to frame 40 and just drag your position slider all the way to the right. So now if you go back here, it looks like this. But now you are left with a little small dot. So what you want to do is, with the red cursor on frame 40, you just want to type in 1.1, so it's gone. And here, of course, on frame 0, we'll start with this. So we will type in -1, just like this. So let's see again. If we let it play, that's how it looks. If that's too fast for you, of course, you can adjust it by, for example, starting with the position -0.3, for example. Then it will just look like this. Okay, now what you want to do is click the polygon again, go here, open the spline. I already have it open here. Go to zoom to fit, and then just click the points. And then by clicking S, it will just smooth out everything. Click this point, S, and now start. This is our line. Okay, but what if you want to add another line? Just go Shift and spacebar, add another polygon that is right here. And you can actually, if you just right click it and go with copy, and now you can click on the polygon and just begin drawing lines again. Let's say just like these weird lines. Then you go over to border width, click it, right click it, paste settings. So now the settings are the same as for the polygon one. Let's do the same with position and with length. And of course we have to connect the polygon to the media out. And now if we watch it, you can see the two lines. Perfect. Okay, now let's say that we want to use some color for the lines. What you want to do is, again, Shift spacebar and just type in background. Then go add. And now we can just connect the lines with the background and the background with the media out. Then just click the background and go color, for example, let's go with green. Just start from the beginning, and that is how our lines look. Of course, here for the polygon, we can also go in here. I forgot that, click that, so it will be smooth. Okay, and now it looks like this. If we let it play, it looks just like this, perfect. But now let's say we want different colors for polygon 1 and for polygon 2. So what you want to do, again, Shift and spacebar, add another background. So now let's go with polygon 2 is connected to background 2 and polygon 1 is connected to background 1. And background 1, of course, was green. Background 2, let's say, will be pink. And then connect background 2 with background 1. Just like this. And a merge node will be created. but now if you let it play, you can see it's green and purple. So now let's see our end result. Perfect. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to animate lines in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.